In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new HoYoverse account on Zenless Zone Zero. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Zenless Zone Zero on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the login button. You will now see various different login or sign up options. To sign up with HoYoverse, tap on Register Now. This will take you into the registration page. Type in your preferred email address within the given box and tap on the I have agreed to the terms and conditions checkbox. The second checkbox is optional, which can be unchecked if you wish. Now tap on Next, then solve a small CAPTCHA. You will then be prompted to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So check your email and then enter this code. Type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on the register button, and now you have successfully signed up to the HoYoverse account on Zenless Zone Zero. Agree with the terms and conditions, and now you can start enjoying your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with HoYoverse on Zenless Zone Zero. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.